Why do group 1 metals become more reactive as you go down the group? So the group 1 metals are these one here: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. As you go down, they become more reactive. So sodium is more reactive than lithium, potassium is more reactive than sodium, rubidium is more reactive than potassium, and so on. So the reactions of group 1 metals with water, as you go down the group, the fizzing goes from being moderate to vigorous to very vigorous, which shows that as you go down the group, the elements become more reactive. You can explain why they become more reactive as you go down the group by thinking about the electron shells. So lithium has got 3 electrons, arranged 2 in the first shell, 1 in the second shell. Sodium has got 11 electrons, and those are arranged 2 in the first shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the second shell, and 1 in the final shell. And group 1 metals want to lose their outer electrons, that one or that one, so that they have a full outer shell. So all group 1 metals lose their outermost electrons so that they have a full outer shell of electrons. The easier it is for group 1 metal to lose its electron, the more reactive the metal is. So going down the group, the outermost electron is put into a shell that's further away from the nucleus. So the distance between this electron and the nucleus is less than the distance between this electron and this nucleus. So the attraction between the outermost electron and the nucleus gets smaller, and so it becomes easier to remove the outermost electron. So it's easier to remove that electron from sodium than it is to remove that electron from lithium. And because of this, sodium is more reactive than lithium, and potassium is more reactive than sodium.